Welcome to a tranquil scene at Restoration Park in West Monroe. Though it's hard to believe, this scene is only about 300 yards away from the I-20 highway. These are female wood ducks, and behind them is one of the many freshwater turtles that you can see in the park. I filmed this on July 10th, and it had cooled off a little bit. We'd had some refreshing rain, and the wildlife was all rather mellow. And just across the small lake, we were very pleased to see a young stag browsing. Those yellow flowers are a bit far away, but I think they may be water primroses, because they are blooming at the moment. Every now and then he looks over his shoulder to the left, and we wondered why he kept doing that. We thought he might be just looking out for trouble, or possibly was expecting company. Sure enough, here come the rest of the herd. And along with these does, there were also two younger bucks. We watched all this going on from a pergola across the lake, and I'm filming this with a 600mm lens equivalent, so really they're not that far away. It was a fantastic view. Now we're going to a wide-angle view from the observation tower, viewing that whole side of the lake. Isn't that amazing? Now watch carefully, because you're in for a treat. Behind the doe, on the left hand side, you'll see three fawns hiding amongst the weeds. They were there all the time. The does tend to leave the fawns in a safe place while they go off browsing. Here's another example that was right by the path by the lakeside. A fantastic view of a fawn. Now we'll finish up with something rather different. A speckled kingsnake. This is a snake-eating snake, and certainly shouldn't be killed. Have a good look at it and remember it, because it eats poisonous snakes. Well, that's it. I hope that you can manage to come and see Restoration Park for yourself.